today. We're going to do some cursive. E! Oh, oh, it's just an E. Did I scare you? Good. All right, we're going to do a cursive E today. So it looks like this. It looks like a backwards 3. If we could take it and flip it, it would look kind of like a backwards 3. All right, so first step is get your pencil, make it go in a circle, and then slam it down on your desk and don't touch it again until you have permission. Did you slam it just one time and then you're done? Because if you keep slamming it over and over, you'll drive your teacher nuts. And then they'll really scream E, but it'll be like loony bin crazy screaming, okay? So, or if you're at home, your parents. Don't drive your parents nuts. All right, watch me do it. So when you do an E, notice right here, it's going to have an actual true loop-de-loop. It's going to go all the way around in a U-turn, all right? So you're going to start a little tiny bit below the line. You're going to curve up and back into the middle. And then when you get there, you're going to do a true U-turn where it's a loop-de-loop around, touch the bottom, and then this part would connect if there was another word. So if you look down here, when it actually makes a word, it connects to the next letter. You won't stop like you do with a Q where you stop, pick up your pencil again, and then start the word. You will connect it to the next one. All right, so watch me do an in-between. Ready? I'm going to start a little bit below the line. I'm going to curve up to it. When I get to the middle, I'm going to forget something, U-turn, go around loop-de-loop, back down to the bottom, and then it would connect. All right? You ready to do it with me? Okay, pick up your pencil. No circles this time. Ready? Start at the top and curve up to the line. Go around. When you get to the middle, loop-de-loop U-turn. Go back down to the bottom and connect. Now this one does have enough room for an in-between, so do an in-between. Ready? Start a little bit below the line, curve up. When you get to the middle, you forgot something, so do a U-turn loop-de-loop and go back around to the bottom and connect. Let's do another one. So go ahead and start at the top, curve around. When you get to the middle line, do a U-turn, curve to the bottom, and then connect. So you're going to keep doing that. Make sure every time you have an in-between spot, do your in-betweens. If there's room, do it. But let's spell these words first. So put your pencil down. Don't you keep doing E's on me. We got to spell some words. Ready? E-D. What word is it? Ed. It's like a name, my Uncle Ed. I do have an Uncle Ed, actually. His full name is Edward. Ready? E-A-S-T. What word? East. North, south, east, and west is a direction word, east. So trace it, write it. But let's do that back side, page 59. I forgot to tell you what page we're on today, by the way. It was 58 if you didn't figure it out already. 59, we've got some words here, so let's spell them. That's actually the same word we just did, E-A-S-T, east. So let's go to the next one. Ooh, this is a hard one. E-C-U-A-D-O-R. Anybody know what it is? Ecuador. That is a country in South America. Next one. E-L-E-A-N-O-R. What word? What name? Eleanor. That's not a name you hear very often anymore, but Eleanor Roosevelt, that was Eleanor. Next one. E-S-T-O-N-I-A. Anybody know what it is? Estonia. Estonia is a country, Europe or Africa or Asia or something. I actually don't know very much about Estonia. I'll have to look it up. Next, last one. Ready? E-L-E-M-E-N-T. Element. If it's an element of the periodic table, it's like hydrogen or nitrogen or argon or arsenic. There's all kinds of different chemicals in the periodic table. All right. So trace it, write it. Make sure when you do your E that it goes right straight into the next letter and that you do not pick up your pencil. So like in the word Ecuador, as you can see me doing, I have not picked up my marker one time because that entire word can be done without lifting up your pencil. Not once, okay? So trace it, write it, trace it, write it. Make sure you do your in-betweens and go do your E's. Get busy.